Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add column to the right in Google Sheets. So get let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document file. Firstly then we show that the Google Sheets, then I will show that the add column to the right. Now click for the NFLS option, add from the right column now, or click now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the column option. Now click for the right to the right column to the right option. Now for click. That's it. Then show the right to the column. Then again. Now click for the NFLS is the add right column. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for the columns option. Now click for the insert one column to the right. Now for click. That's it. Then it show the add column to the right in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.